Hi everyone, let's do the important questions of 3D. This year in the board exam 2021, you will definitely get one 5 marker based on three-dimensional geometry. And the chapter is very, very easy. First of all, just go through the formulae which I have written in yellow and blue. I'm reading out this formula. Equation of plane passing through three non-collinear points. So there is a plane, it is passing through three non-collinear points. Let this point be x1, y1, z1. Another point be x2, y2, z2, and let this point be x3, y3, z3. So the equation of plane will be indeterminate x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, that is the first row, then x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of plane which is passing through three non-collinear points. Another formula in blue, the length of perpendicular from the point P x1 y1 z1. So there is a point, this is a point P. Say this point be x1 comma y1 comma z1. This is a point, and you have to find out the perpendicular distance from the plane, and this plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. This is the plane. You have to find out this distance between the plane and the point, of course the perpendicular distance. So the formula will be ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d upon under root the coefficient of x, y and z, that is a square plus b square plus c square. So this is the formula for the length of perpendicular. Now I'm reading the question. Very important question given in NCERT as the solved example. Find the equation of plane determined by the point A, that is 3 minus 1 2, B is 5 2 4, and C is minus 1 minus 6. Also find out the distance from the point to this plane. So first of all, they are asking you to find out the equation of plane. So I've already given you the formula. So x1, this is x1, y1 and z1, the first point. This is x2, y2, z2, and this is x3, y3, z3. You will put in this formula, you will get the equation of plane, you will solve this determinant, right? You will solve this determinant and you will get the equation of plane. Now you also have to find out the distance. So this point which is similar to this one, that is x1 y1 z1, you will put it over here and you will find out the distance, that is ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 upon d upon under root a square plus b square plus c square. So what is a? A is actually given, this is a, so a multiplied by 6, ax1 b y1, that is minus 4 into 5, that gives you minus 20, plus cz1 plus d upon under root a square plus b square plus c square. So you will calculate that. So I hope this is already there. I will also share the word file with you so that you can see the solution later. Just understand with me first of all. Taking the next important question, read the formula first. Equation of line passing through 2 points. So there are 2 points given to you. This point is x1, y1 and z1. This point is x2, y2, z2. So these are the 2 points. You have to find out the equation of line which is passing through these 2 points. You have done in class 11th also when the line was passing through 2 points. So over here it is in 3D now, so you can recall the formula for class 11th and you can learn this formula in 3D now. So equation of line will be x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. And the distance between 2 points when 2 points are given to you. So this formula you have already done in class 10th. This is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So दोनों formulas learn होने चाहिए. Now I'm reading the question. Find the distance of the point 3 4 4. There is a point P over here. Say this is a point P. My pen is not working. Just give me a minute. So there is a point P that is 3 4 4. Find the distance of the point from the point where the line joining 2 points. So there is another line which is joining these 2 points intersects the plane. So reading again for you. So this is a point P. This is a point P that is 3 4 4 to another point. So you have to find out distance between 2 points. Now they're describing about this point. Let this point be Q. Where the line, so what what is this point Q? They're describing it this as the line joining the points, right, intersects the plane. So there is line and it is intersecting the plane. तो ये plane given है question में. The plane is 2x plus y plus z is equal to 7. So this is the plane and this line is passing through 2 points. तो पहले तो ये line पता होनी चाहिए, right? So you will find out equation of line passing through 2 points, equation of line passing through 2 points, and this line is intersecting the plane. So you have to find out the distance between this point and this point. All right. तो पहले A और B दो पॉइंट्स गिवन है, वहां से लाइन आ जाएगा. You will use this formula. So this is x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. किसी भी पॉइंट को, इसको x1 y1 z1 ले लो या इसको ले लो, कैसे भी करके you will find out equation of line and you will take any point on this line. तो जब भी लाइन पे कोई पॉइंट लेते हो तो क्या करते हो आप, उसको लैम्डा के इक्वल कर देते हो, राइट? लैम्डा की इक्वल करके देन यूजिंग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन इसका क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट करो, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन करो, यू विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके देखो, इट इज माइनस लैम्डा प्लस 3. अब y कोऑर्डिनेट कितना हो जाएगा? लैम्डा माइनस 4 and 6 lambda minus 5. So let this point be Q. Now this point Q lies on AB क्योंकि वो इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है, लाइन जो है प्लेन को इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है, तो लाइन पे जो पॉइंट लिया है that is going to satisfy the equation of plane, right? So this intersect the plane, it means it will satisfy the plane. So in equation of plane, in place of x, y and z, you will put this point. This is equation of plane. So you will put this point in the plane. So just put that point in the plane, solve this and find out the value of lambda. Once you know lambda, you will find out what is q. तो ये q के coordinates आ जाएंगे. If you know q, p तो already given है. अब क्लास 10th वाला वो जो फॉर्मूला था ना, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 3D है तो z2 minus z1 भी यूज करोगे, z2 minus z1 whole square, you will apply that formula and you will get the distance pq. So make sure you learn the formula, right? Okay, चलो अब next question करते हैं. Next question, this is again important one. तो पहले ये formula पढ़ते हैं, right? Let's read this formula. Plane passing through the point x1 y1 z1, ये plane है. This is a plane. This is passing through the point x1 y1 z1 and direction ratios of the normal. ये normal है इसका, perpendicular जो होता है, right? Direction ratios of the normals are a, b, c. So what is the equation of plane? Equation of plane is a x minus x1 plus b y minus y1 plus c z minus z1 is equals to 0. वैसे equation of plane होती क्या है? जो जनरल फॉर्म होता है ax plus by plus cz plus d is equals to 0. So whenever you find out any answer, you will write down the answer in the standard form. ये जो हमारा ये जो फॉर्म है ना plane का, you will write down the answer in this form. So this is equation of plane when this is passing through x1 y1 z1. और ये equation of plane है जब drs given हो normal के. What is d over here? D ऐसे ही constant है. So you should know this formula also. Okay. Now another formula which is in yellow. When two planes are perpendicular, then a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equals to 0. What is a1 b1 and c1? दो planes है ना, वो दो planes perpendicular हो रहे हैं. एक ये plane है and there's another plane and there is another plane. These two planes are perpendicular to each other. So you have to find out the angle between two planes and you have to find out the angle is 90. That is why they are perpendicular. So it will be a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equals to 0 when two planes are perpendicular. Reading the question for you now. Find the equation of plane which is passing through this point. So there is a plane. This is a plane. This is passing through minus 1, 3, 2 and this plane is perpendicular to each of the planes. A plane, ये जो required plane है, this plane, this is perpendicular to this plane also and this required plane is perpendicular to this plane also. दोनों के perpendicular है, right? So first of all, equation of plane which is passing through the point x1 y1 z1, formula ये वाला formula है आपके पास. A x minus x1 plus b y minus y1 plus c z minus z1 equals to 0. You will put x1 y1 z1 as minus 1 3 and 2. You will find out equation of plane. ये आ गया equation of plane. Now this is required equation of plane. अब इसमें unknown quantity क्या है? See a b c नहीं पता है. Once you know ABC, you will put in equation 1 and you will get the answer. तो ये जो condition given है, ये given है to find out the value of ABC, right? Now this plane 1 is perpendicular to this plane. इसका naming दे दो, say ये P1, ये P1 है, say this is P1, let this is P2 and let this be P3. अब जो P1 है वो P2 के perpendicular है, तो जब दो planes perpendicular होते हैं तो फॉर्मूला है A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2. इसके डायरेक्शन रेशियोज क्या हैं? A, B और C. बिकॉज क्या होते हैं डायरेक्शन रेशियोज? एक्स वाई और जेड का कोफिशिएंट. तो एक्स का कोफिशिएंट क्या है? ए, वाई का कोफिशिएंट बी, जेड का कोफिशिएंट सी. और इसके डायरेक्शन रेशियोज क्या है? सी, 1 2 and 3. So a1 a2, so a multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by b, 3 multiplied by c. So a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equals to 0. You will get this equation. Now this plane p1 is also perpendicular to p2, so वहां से भी हो जाएगा a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equals to 0. Now you have these two equations. आपका aim क्या है? You will solve these two equations 2 and 3 to get the value of a, b and c, so that you can put in equation 1. Just hold on. So that you can put in equation 1. Now, come on. Wait. Yeah, I was here. Now, you will see. So what is happening over here? These are two equations. So how to solve this? You will just put a finger. First of all, you will write A upon B upon C upon. So you will put a finger on A, right? And just put a finger on A and do cross multiplication. See, 2 into 1 minus 3 into 3. So this is 2 minus 9. B, we always, for B, just put a finger on the B and do cross multiplication. So what are you going to do over here? B, we always start from down. So 3 into 3, that is 9 minus 1. And for C, put a finger on C and do cross multiplication. So you're getting A upon minus 7, B upon 8, C upon minus 3 is equals to K. So the value of A is minus 7K, value of B is 8K, value of C is minus 3K. You will put the values over here in equation 1. K and K will be cancelled and you will get the equation of plane. So this was another important question. Now I'll do one more question with you. That is this question number 5. I'm just reading the question. First of all, this formula, equation of plane containing the line of intersection of two planes. When two planes intersect, see, when two lines intersect, they intersect at a point, right? When two planes intersect, this is plane 1 and this is plane 2. When they intersect in a line, right? So, and what is the equation of plane when it is passing through the intersection of two planes? So formula is P1 plus lambda P2 is equals to 0. So equation of plane containing the line of intersection. Don't get confused that you will get a line. Of course you will get a line, but this is the plane which is passing through the intersection of two planes. So the P1 plus lambda P2 equals to 0. And when two planes are perpendicular, so A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equals to 0. I'm reading the question now. Find the vector equation of plane which contains the line of intersection of the planes. So two planes are intersecting, plane 1 and plane 2, and it is perpendicular to the third plane. So you can write down the equation in the Cartesian form. कैसे लिखोगे? I, J, K की place में x, y, z बस. So x plus 2y plus 3z minus 4. This is equation 1. And this is another equation. इन दोनों का intersection हो रहा है तो P1 plus lambda P2 equals to 0. Brackets open करके take x common. So x into 1 plus 2 lambda, y into 2 plus lambda, z into 3 minus lambda, और ये constant है. Now this plane is perpendicular to this one. ठीक है? अब इसमें a क्या है? x का coefficient means 1 plus 2 lambda. b क्या हो जाएगा? 2 plus lambda. c will be 3 minus lambda. Now this is perpendicular to this one. Means 1 and 2 they both are perpendicular. इसके DRs क्या हैं? 5, 3, 6. Minus 6. So A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equals to 0. You will solve. You will get the value of lambda. You will put in one of the equation. One में put कर दो या यहाँ put कर दो, and you will get the answer. Right? A very important thing, if the question is given in the Cartesian form, you have to write down the answer in the Cartesian form. I have another questions also, but I hope you will be able to understand on your own now. And I'm going to share the Word file also with you. Make sure you do those questions. Thank you. Bye bye.